everyone, welcome to my channel. As you all know that drinking water is very important for our body. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can easily consume 8 glasses of water in a whole day, but at a right time. As the water is important for your body, in the same way it's very important to understand when you should drink water. Not drinking water at right time can lead to problems of indigestion, stomach issues, toxins, constipations and losing nutrients from the food you are eating. So in this video it will be very easy to follow how you can drink 8 glasses of water in a whole day. Plus, as a bonus point, I will also share with you what I eat in a day. I'm on weight loss journey, so for this video I'm going to share with you what I cook for me, for my husband and my 2-year-old son. So let's get started, and before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. As soon as I wake up, I drink warm water early in the morning on empty stomach. Drinking water on an empty stomach cleans your bowels movement. It also prevents headaches and increase hunger. Increase your energy, speeds up your metabolism, helps in reducing weight and also improves your skin. A night before I go to bed, I always fill this thermos with the warm water. If you have acidity, you cannot drink warm water. It will increase your acidity. But if you do not have any acidity, then drinking warm water early in the morning on empty stomach is very beneficial. So after freshen up, when I go to downstairs to my kitchen, I turn on this electric kettle, which is very helpful. If you can find this kettle, this is the most essentials in your kitchen to start a healthy lifestyle, because you don't have to do much effort to warm the water. It's very easy. Turn it on and in just couple of seconds it will be ready for you to drink. Another important thing is that whenever you drink water, you should always drink water while you are in sitting position, because standing and then drinking water for a long time in a standing position can give you arthritis or like legs pain later in your life. So I always prefer I sit down first and then drink warm water. In this warm water you can also add lemon or lime, or you can add apple cider vinegar, which is very helpful for reducing belly fat. So after drinking my second cup of water, I always prefer to drink wheatgrass juice early in the morning. As my third cup, I will include wheatgrass and I will add 1 cup of water. So this will be my third cup. If you want to know how you can grow wheatgrass at home and then how to make a juice from wheatgrass, please click on the link in the description below. Then after my third cup, I'm gonna have my breakfast after 30 minutes of drinking wheatgrass juice. Today I'm going to make a simple toast with avocado and then red chili flakes on top of that. I'm going to use peanut butter. On one slice I will spread a peanut butter, and on second slice I will add almond butter. After peanut butter, I'm going to add avocado slices on top of that. This is a very easy breakfast. After my avocado, I'm going to add red chili flakes. You can control the flavor. If you like very hot, then you can add more, and if you like less, you can add less chili flakes. Now on the second toast, I'm going to spread almond butter. Almond butter is rich in magnesium, iron and calcium. So I like to mix and match both butters for my toast. Now my first toast is ready. I'm going to make the second one in the same way, adding almond butter and then avocado and then chili flakes on top of that. And my avocado chili flakes toast is ready for my breakfast. So the toast was ready for me and for my husband. Now I'm going to make a breakfast for my son. I'm going to use this suji, which is also called rava or semolina. I'm going to make this breakfast for him by adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. After that, I'm going to add cardamom powder. After that, I will add semolina, which is very high in iron, calcium, magnesium and B6. You just need to saute a little bit and make sure you should not burn it. After that, I'm going to add grated apples and keep mixing the apples. When you think it's ready, then you need to add a water. You would like to add a double water. You are making 1 cup of semolina, then you need to add 2 cups of water. At this point, when it's like ready, so I'm going to add jaggery. You can also use brown sugar, and then you just need to cover it and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, it will be ready for your child. Now after 1 hour of breakfast, I am going to have my 4th cup of water before drinking my tea. I like to drink warm water because it not only helps my body to digest the food properly, but it also helps the belly fat to reduce quickly. So 45 minutes after drinking my tea, I make sure that I drink water because there is a compound called diuretic compound that makes you urinate more frequently if you drink tea or coffee. So I make sure that I drink 1 cup of water, and this will be my 5th cup for a day. So for the morning snack today, I'm going to have this very yummy peppermint bar. It's vegan because it's made from a cashew nut and it is very rich in 3 omegas. So if you are interested in this recipe, I have a link in the description below. So you can click on that link and check the recipe. This is very easy, no cooking. You don't have to cook anything. You just need to collect all the ingredients, blend it very well, put into the container and then freeze for recommended hours. After that, you can eat for like 2-3 weeks. It's very easy and it's very healthy. Go check the link and make this recipe. For the lunch today, I'm going to have this healthy weight loss salad with lots of veggies. It has egg, it has avocado, carrots, broccoli, kale, beetroot, and it's very yummy. And top of that, I have cashew nuts. I also have the recipe link of this recipe also. If you are interested, click on the link and check that recipe. For my family, I cooked this very yummy dal. It's called tur dal, which is also called the pigeon peas in English. It's very easy to cook. You just need to add 1 cup of dal with 3 cups of water. Add salt in it and turmeric powder in it. Or pressure cook it for 3 whistles. After that, close the flame, and then for the tempering, you need to add oil. You can use any oil, coconut oil, olive oil or mustard oil. Cumin seeds, dry chili, cilantro, and that's it. Add that tempering into the dal and dal is ready. You can serve with mixed veg, roti and rice. And this will be lunch for your family. It's very healthy and it will not take too much of your time. After 1 hour of my lunch, I'm going to have, this is the 6th cup of water for my day. This is again a warm water, and if you want to add flavors into it, you can add any artificial flavor if you like. I just like to drink warm water without any flavors. As an afternoon snack, I'm going to have this very yummy strawberry smoothie. I also drink this and give it to my toddler and also to my husband. So you can have this afternoon snack as a family snack, and you don't have to make two different snacks for you and your family. It's very easy. You just need to add strawberries. I have added strawberries and it's very rich in vitamin C and the great antioxidants. After that, I added 1/4 cup of blueberries, which are also rich in vitamin C, and the blueberries are king of antioxidants. After that, I'm going to add this which are high in fiber, organic dates. You can use any milk. I'm going to use almond milk here, which is high in vitamin E. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of almond butter. You can also use peanut butter if you like, or you can use almond butter, or you can use combination of both as per your preference. And that's it. You just need to close the lid and then blend it very properly, and your smoothie is ready for you to drink. Now it's time for 7th cup of water. I'm going to have this 7th cup 1 hour before my dinner. For dinner, we are going to have this very yummy pasta. I have also added a roasted chickpeas, and which is a very good combination with this pasta. You can use any gluten-free or a whole wheat pasta. That's up to your choice. Then after that, you just need to boil it, cook the pasta properly, and then add chickpeas after that, which are roasted in oven. I'm going to use olive oil, some paprika, cumin powder and other spices. I will mix it to the already boiled chickpeas, put it into the oven for like 15 to 20 minutes. When it's ready, I will add that into my pasta. I will also add the onions and the tomato sauce, which is very easy to cook. If you are interested in this recipe, I have a full video on this pasta. I also have the link in the description below, so please go and check on that link if you are interested in this roasted chickpeas pasta recipe. For dessert, I'm going to have this organic dates. It's a very sweet, very yummy, and it's very healthy dessert. So if you are interested in dates, then you can eat 2 dates every day, and which are high in fiber and potassium, calcium, magnesium, vitamin B6, copper, and it's really good for your body because it's very rich in fiber. After 1 hour of my dinner, I'm going to have the full and final 8th cup of water. Before I go to my bed, I'm going to use again a warm water, which is really healthy for your body when you consume warm water. So the last thing I'm going to drink before I go to my bed is a turmeric milk. I'm going to drink 1 cup of almond milk with a pinch of turmeric in it. If you are interested in checking the video how to make almond milk at home, I'm going to drop that link in the description below. Turmeric has the medicinal properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and antibacterial properties. So adding turmeric milk into your diet is a great way to start a healthy lifestyle. Do leave me a comment how many glasses of water are you drinking in your day. Are you drinking a warm water or cold water, and how did you find this video? So thank you for watching my video, and if you are interested in more healthy videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in next video. Bye.